Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks Payments updated. Open QuickBooks and click the Settings gear, then select Payments to start. Enter your business and bank details, verify identity with the requested documents, and accept the merchant agreement. Set deposit timing, review transaction fees, and choose card reader or online options. Test a small charge to confirm everything works and monitor the first deposits for accuracy. Linking your bank is a key step to receive payments smoothly. Choose Connect Bank and either sign in with your bank credentials or opt for micro deposits to verify manually. Watch for 2 small deposit amounts, then confirm them in QuickBooks to finalize the connection. Decide whether you want next day or standard payouts, and save those preferences so funds arrive when you expect them without surprises on your statement. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical QuickBooks guides. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs surprisingly well with learning payments because mindset and systems go hand in hand. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a quick note and prepare to finish setup. Now let's get back to the video. Configure which payment methods you accept and how invoices appear to customers. Turn on card processing and ACH as needed, enable invoicing with pay buttons, and set up recurring payments for subscriptions. Review the fee structure for each method so pricing decisions are informed. Consider adding automatic reminders and custom messages on invoices. Finally, run a sample invoice and complete a test payment to validate the user experience and reconcile fees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.